Hi guys, I want to share with you how to make a perfect YouTube thumbnail in 1 minute or less on an Android phone. One of the first challenges as a YouTuber last time was making a thumbnail which could be seen because all the time when we were making our thumbnail we don't know what was the size. So the size is actually, the perfect size is 16 by 9. Yeah. So the first thing you need to do is to find a photo of your background for your thumbnail, and then we can add text using KineMaster. So first, let's start first by finding a photo. You can go to your gallery. And let's suppose we take this photo of the BMW, right? This is a photo. So after finding your photo, you go to this app called KineMaster. And in KineMaster, all you need to do is to create a new project and select the 16 by 9 ratio. Then click media and look for your photo. Where is your photo? Your photo is probably in your camera. And camera, yes, your BMW, that's correct. So select the BMW and then move the photo to the right and to the beginning and click on layer, go to text, and then you can say, let's say you want to name this sexy BMW, right? So you have your text here. You can make it a bit bigger. Over here you can change the font by pressing the AA on the right hand side here. So you want to change the font, okay, and then you want to change the color. Let's suppose you want it to be red, and then you want to make it a bit more pronounced. You can move and choose outline, enable the color. Can you see immediately the red text has got a black outline? Let's say you don't like the black outline, you want a yellow outline, even more pronounced, so you have a yellow outline. So let's suppose you want it to be a bit more sexy, right? You can swivel it, you can change, adjust it. Okay, so then that's the word BMW, sexy BMW. Let's say you want to add another word, 2020, let's say, right? And then you can add 2020 on the right hand side. Same time you can change the color. Let's say now you want blue, and let's say you want the background to be, you want the outline to be black. Just click enable and you can see that the 2020 is much clearer here. And you can also add things like go to text. You can also add like emoticons. So you can add this emoticon, move it up, and then press OK. So once you're done, you're happy with the layout, all you need to do is to press the back button, go back to your video, and play the full video this way, and then just screenshot the video. And now we go back to our gallery. Go back to the gallery and look for the screenshot. So this was the screenshot, and you have to edit. You have to edit and crop. And when you crop, please select the size of 16 by 9. Can you see? 16 by 9. And just save it. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect size YouTube thumbnail, which is easy to do with the KineMaster app in less than 1 minute. So if you have any questions, kindly write in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video with all your YouTuber beginner friends. Thank you, and see you again.